Hello, hello. Hello, Sambhav. Hello, Samira. Hello, Mayur. What's up? I did this live again to talk about something that has been going on. And it's going to be a really small live. I did it because rather than hearing everything from the media and the publishing house and the papers and everything, Bani is online. Bani! Man, Bani is online. Oh, Divya is here too. So I'm just letting you know that you'll be seeing a lot of things on the show, and just want to tell you that every person is different. Every person has a different tolerance level. I'm already sleepy. I haven't slept the entire night. Uh, every person has a different patience level. So let's not. I don't want to jump to conclusion. I want to wait. That's my opinion. People have different opinions. So respect everybody. Let everybody live their own life. Don't make fun of it, man. It's not funny for the people who are uh, laughing on this particular thing. It's not funny, to be very honest. I'm laughing right now because I don't know how to tell you guys that it's not funny. Okay, so my point is that house is a crazy house and it makes you do things which you don't want to do. So let's not jump to conclusions. Let's not judge people and inside and outside the house. Let's be normal. Support your favorite contestant. Vote for them and wish well for them. And that's about it. Yeah, I mean, there's no reason to push like put it out there or rub it in your face. There's no reason to do it. So I mean, whatever's happening in the house, we'll get our answers when they come out. Until then, all the best, all the love and luck to them. And if somebody's taking a decision, respect it. And you don't know what that other person is feeling at that particular moment. I'm talking about Divya. It's okay if she's broken up. I mean, she must be going through a lot. It's okay. Don't talk shit about anybody and don't make fun of the situation because you are not in that situation, so you don't know. Rest, everybody is cool, everybody is having fun. Let them enjoy life, and that's about it. That's why I did this live, just to talk about this. Just to, I'm gonna wait until she comes out, and I'll ask her. Don't have to think over things about what's happening inside the house because it's a mad house. To be very honest, mad people in the house. It ruins your mental peace. It psychs you to a different level. हाँ हाँ अक्षता दिमाग क्या खराब कर रही है अक्षता idiot. Uh, I mean understand what Divya is going through. She has already faced a lot. It's okay if she is broken up. Don't hate on her. Don't hate on anybody. Is my approach to you guys. Don't hate on anybody. Everybody is nice. Everybody has a reason to do a particular thing. And if you want to know the reason, you have to just wait. And that's about it. I mean, obviously Divya will speak to Priyank. Divya will speak to Priyank when he's out. But if she was not okay in this, if it was not making her happy, she stepped down. It's okay. Like all this is life. I know you guys are too involved in all of that. You guys are too involved in everything that we do, so it affects you. But it's also our personal lives and what makes us happy, what doesn't make us happy. And I think everybody should respect our personal lives. So love and respect to everybody. And now I have to shoot. So bye, 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 bye. Take care, everybody. Bye.